Adding a debit card to your Vanguard account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth addition of your payment method. Step 1. Log into your Vanguard account. Visit the Vanguard website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, locate the My Account or Account Settings section. Look for an option related to payment methods or funding sources to begin adding your debit card. Step 3. Select a debit card. In the Payment Methods section, find the option to add a new debit card. Click on it to proceed with entering your card details. Step 4. Enter your debit card information. Fill in the required fields including your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Review the information you entered for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the addition of your debit card to your Vanguard account. After completing these steps, your debit card should be successfully added to your Vanguard account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Vanguard's customer support for assistance.